Bakit?
Tell them.
Okay. Number one, number two. Okay, so strike one, strike two, go in, just like this. Okay.
This much.
This hard. One, two, go in. But when you do this, be wary about the tip of the stick. We don't want this in going into the face or any parts of the body of our partner.
Especially you guys that don't have glasses on. I don't want my glasses broken, you know.
Yeah. Okay? When I do this, when I strike here, I go in here, I make it smaller. Make it small. Okay? I will not be grabbing it here anymore. I just go in with this.
Whenever
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah. Just like this. Okay, this is the first one, and then I grab this. I grab this, just like this. I'll not be grabbing it here. I go up with this and go with this. Okay, so number one, here, I go in, make it small, not so big, because when you make it so big like this, it can go do what that one. What I will do, I'll dive this closer to the wrist, just like this. And then I'll give this one first outside. I grab this. When I grab this, I don't even lock this too hard. I just loosen it, just like that. And if I pull it down, it hurts so much. So what I will do is I'll just leave it here on top, just like that. Okay? Pulling this one on. Okay? Because what will happen is if I move it here, when I move this one in, I go up there, over there, grab it. It's too hard for me to pull that one in. If I move it there, but if I move it here, just like this, closer. I don't need to exert too much effort. And then I just move this just like that. How do I lessen the moves that I'm doing? How do I impose more pain into the technique? By doing this. I'm showing this to one. I go in closer. I will not be doing it here. Because if I do it here, look at that. I need to go in. But the moment I'm close already, closer, easier. And when I grab it, when I grab this one in, my hand is there already. I could just do this at the same time. That's the same thing. Okay? That's a wrist lock. But we're not. Grab it here, closer to the hand, and then enter here. Then just push this one in, and then. Okay, see? From here, one. Up.
Don't tear your wrist out of it.
Yeah.
Your partner's hand.
That look at this. I make sure that there's a gap. And don't pull it too close like this. Don't jerk it because on here, one, two, just grab this, pull it down a little bit. Don't leave it here because look at this. Not enough space. And when you grab it that way over there, it's harder because he's stronger. I am weaker.
And
Yes.
taller,
Taller.
I have that elevation too.
Okay, so I could compensate with this one is when I do this one. As soon as I come in with this, I pull it in. Because once he pull in, I could just move it here, just like that. Then I try to relax. When I do this, I always relax my hand so that it doesn't hurt so bad. You know, one, up, here, pull. The reason why I'm pulling this one, I try to pull this one, I want him to, and I want him to loosen up.
He's taking me off my balance.
When I push this, Just like that, pull this one in, it's easier. Easier for you. I pass this, I go,
Same.
same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, look at it, the way I do it. From here, I grab into the thumb.
Okay.
So that,
I can't let go. I'm stuck. I do stuff by the way too.
okay? Yeah, I have tried this before at work.
Did it work?
Oh, yes.
I wouldn't be pain compliance.
Yeah, yeah,
It's very painful.
yeah. Very painful like this. Then what I do, I jerk it before I slap it. Just like
So
that.
when you went to slap, when you go to slap, they actually grab your hand.
Yes.
But even if I don't grab his
Self-defense,
hand,
yeah.
even if I just carry him,
Yeah.
he's isolated my hand
Yeah.
on this
I'm
forearm.
looking for that one because I need it to put together so at least the other hand gonna punch you, gonna push you.
You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, it's all the way. You rather want to have that way, just.
See, I'm carried him that time. It didn't help, did it?
Yeah. And look at this, even though he's not grabbing, his palm
He's
is
still
closed, it's
trapped.
open, it's all the same.
Mhm.
From here, one. From here, look at this. I can just put this one in, just like that.
That's easy.
From here, grab this. Yeah, the thumb, okay. Look at this, when I grab this, my hand is going up. When I say going up from here, it goes up into the thumb. From here, grab it up. Then I can grab it, because this is the weakest, this is the strongest. This you can grab this because nobody would be grabbing it too tight like that. Even though it's too tight, there's always an opening
Right.
that you can grab. Okay? Okay? Put that right away, and don't put it too high, because once you put that one too high, see what happens? You don't have any good grip if it's too high.
Actually, he does have a good grip. It's just, it's not working against him.
Yes, that's why when I do this, I put it down like this, because I'm trying to outbalance my opponent, just like this. Then I want this right away. And then I open in this, when I open it, yeah, see? Yes,
It's just in his hand.
yeah, no, the thumb,
Yeah, the thumb.
yeah. I'm working into the thumb, or both thumb, actually, I could release the other one like this. And then I could swing this, I could slam it on the floor. But when you grab it, make sure you don't close your fist
Mhm.
that much, because it will be painful. You know, very, very painful. You don't want to impose this pain too much, because you'll be hurting so bad. From here, open. Okay, just start this one first. Up there. And when I do this, my hand is
Holding his thumb.
holding it just like that, but I don't close it, I don't break it too hard.
He just cradled it.
Yeah, see? You know, that's very important, because once I close it from here, just grab this,
Thumb.
not too high,
Mhm.
okay? Low,
No.
center of gravity, okay? And then I go in with this, but when I do this, not too high. Too high, I need to take it down, but here, it's closer. Okay, close, whenever I do this. See it? Here. And look how quick, one from here, don't too low, just stay here.
Yeah.
Then I move this, I clamp this in, and look at my hand.
It's been my, it's the metacarpal beyond my ring finger.
I can move this, look at the intensity of the technique there when I post this. I'm not moving, I just move this, move that one. There's intensity of the technique that I put on. From here, okay, from here, look at that right.
Oh, wow, okay.
Okay. One, I clamp this, and then just put this on top, just like that, and then just. I'm not grabbing it, see?
Mhm.
Okay. I don't need to grab that one in.
Initially, my muscles stopped,
Mm-hmm.
I will not tight.
And what I'm doing is I'm moving this just like that. Okay, so one more.
He's
From
not
here,
going to my
back.
technique.
Just put that one on top, and then, okay? Okay, you got this one, but not too hard for this. One more time, bro. Look at this, the position. I wouldn't want to put this too low, because I need to take that one up, and then that would come in. Okay? So pull, just like that, okay? Pull it out just like that, and the moment you're pulling this one out,
He'll let go.
open that one in. Because if you do like that one there, it's hard. You need to open it. Face it out, and then just like this, and then you have to grab it 2 hands.
But he's also making me walk.
Yeah. Do not stay on the same position just like this.
Oh,
Because if you stay like that one, bang, it's coming in.
Even if he's got me there,
Yeah, see? He will pull you, what you do is you pull at the same time, and then use this one, and then use the other hand to grab, to hold. Okay, when you're gonna just do this one, because if he's too strong, you will just pull this one out like 2 hands. Just like this at the same time. And then you need to have the person go down. Don't let them stand up like that one, because he will kick you, he will punch you. But if you're on the floor like that one, it will be difficult.
yeah, take that.
So again, from here, or you can just do this, pull, then 2 hands. Don't grab it too tight,
Yeah,
okay? Because you don't want to hurt anybody here,
Right.
okay?
I'm gonna go along with that. I'm not gonna-
Yeah. Okay, so this is simple, this is simple. So either this way, your hand is holding the palm stick of the doula, or just pull this one in and make sure that you have a distance. So grab. Now this one.
Ooh, that one break the wrist.
So from here, just raise this one up, and then put the fingers at the bottom.
So it doesn't get loose.
I'm pinned.
That's the wrist lock.
Yeah.
He's pinning me between
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's
Yeah.
not letting his elbow slide out because my fingers will slip.
So from here, as soon as you grab it, just raise that one up, and make sure the left hand is doing this to cover,
To hold it.
to hold it, to
Yeah.
cover at the bottom. So yeah. Okay. Well, you can also do this if you know what you're doing. You know, just put somebody there, and then when you push this, you don't push it going down like that one over there. You're going this moving just like this on the side.
He's only cornering so far. And he's doing it back and forth and pulls through.
Yeah. Right here, erase it. That one first. And I always want him to go down.
I can't hit so low
Right?
down
Because if she's standing like that, the moment you do this, he will punch you.
Yeah, it twists me around too much.
Yes.
You don't have
I
time
can,
to punch
I
in
can
there.
kick him or elbow him or
Yes.
jam him in.
From this one there, on the side. Let them go down just like that. Don't let them go up. Because if you go down, it's harder for you to stand up. That's very important. Okay? Usually at work, whenever I take down somebody, I want them to squat. You know, this one.
Look what he's doing. Now, go ahead. If he stops there,
Yeah.
I desensitize
Yes.
fairly quickly. So don't
So
let
what
me
is
see
it?
that. But now he's,
Like, when you do this, it's better off that you put the other person just like that. Because if he's standing like that one, he will kick you. Yeah.
do something.
Yeah, they will kick you for that one, or he will punch you, or you use his elbow, or he will think pain the technique that you're imposing on. So, okay, from here, just like that, inward. Okay. Yeah, just like on the side, not this one. Right? It doesn't have that much leg surface. On this one, same thing, no, there's nothing there. But the edge of it here,
Oh, I see, okay.
yeah, here. There you go. That's the thing. And then you can do the same thing with this one. This is the edge. Because
Grab him,
yeah.
I'm going to,
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit him or something,
Yeah.
and he doesn't,
You don't have time. You have no time. You know, the best for me is I just flop that ring just like that. Then you know, I break it because you know.
Let's do that one again, guys.
Just like this. Let him open up. See from here? Let him open up like this and yeah. But here, you need to make sure that you get a good grip. Okay? Because if you loosen up, you lose it. Okay?
but when he initially does this, I spasm.
Mm-hmm. That's the time.
If he,
Or but I've seen this with Bobby before. He grabs here at your skin and then he pulls it one in.
Wow.
I haven't done it there in the Philippines on vacation.
So you need food
I
for
have
the
to
day.
wait